mean? If I walk out, I am going to walk out.
Why?
Just the way it looks like a horse. It makes me laugh so much. When he's there, what even is our life? Lauren, you're actually going to keep it. You're actually going to. Your little hen. You've got tiny bit. 30 minutes. I quite like
Looking sexy.
Is this on?
Right, I've got to watch them walk out. Stay at the back with me. Some video and then walk out. It's awful. It's like,
It's like you've got a fringe. I want to clip so I can. Actually, if Molly had a fringe.
hey,
Get a full fringe about fighting.
Molly.
No, you should be a hairdresser. I mean, this is the last one here.
Prom hair trial.
Oh.
Right, go girls. Molly, get out there.
Oh, God, see me.
She's actually.
Keep video.
What's wrong?
What, no, video from something, see people.
Are you really?
She is a trendsetter.
She
fucking copycat.
so did her hair.
Video the back of her head. Video the back of her head.
Charlie. Hi. What station are we at? Staines.
You literally got a black bruise in the middle. Wait, where are you going?
We've got to go out of there and then that way.
Where are we going?
Oh, we can go here. Katie.
It's down there.
What? Oh, guys. You actually do.
Super, I don't look alone.
You do.